CVT with Tronic. Hurry in! Welcome to Clint Bowyer Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Don't miss this double bargain of saving at the dealership and at the pump. Your time is almost up on this fantastic looking 2014 Nissan Altima. Take some of the worry out of buying an used vehicle with this one-owner gem. Visit us today. Clint Bowyer Autoflex is a partnership between NASCAR driver Clint Bowyer and Davis Moore Auto Group in Wichita, Kansas. Bowyer once worked as a paint, mist and repair specialist and detailer. The Clint Bowyer Autoflex, 2815 West US Highway 50 in Emporia, is across the street from the Clint Bowyer Community Building. Stop by and visit our showroom today.